Are you looking to buy OnePlus Nord CE3 5G? In this video, I'll tell you about 4 new problems that are faced by some OnePlus Nord CE3 users, and also I'll tell you some solutions that can work in case you are facing this issue. The first problem is a hardware issue, while the other 3 problems are software issues because of the new software update. The first problem is a display problem. Random horizontal lines start appearing in the display like this. It can be a software issue, but according to me, this is just an indication of the display being dead, which is definitely a hardware issue. The second video shows screen flickering. Many users are facing this flickering issue after the new update. It is definitely a bug, and the only solution is to factory reset the phone so that this bug can go away. The third issue is a network problem that was faced by this user. Whenever the flight mode is turned on and off, the phone fails to catch a cell signal again. This happens until the phone is restarted or the SIM card is removed and put back in. This is also a software bug, and the only solution is to restart the phone in case you are having this anytime. The fourth problem is hang problem that is becoming common on almost all phones that have installed the new update. A large number of users who purchased 8GB RAM variant is facing this issue. The only solution to hang problem is pressing and holding the volume down button and power button to force shut down the phone and then power it on normally. If you have any doubts, feel free to mention them in the comment section and I'll help you out as I can. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this. Watch this video to learn about other problems that are faced by OnePlus Nord CE3 users.